Great stay for Sky Mirror. Property was convenient for visiting Sky Mirror. Had washing machine, fridge, microwave. Staff also helped to book tickets for Sky Mirror, which was very convenient. Would recommend. Incredible hospitality. The appeal towards this homestay was the interior pristine as the picture displayed. The cleanliness here is well maintained. The host was also very friendly and attentive to every need and also offers things we might like to do during the stay which should have extra points for that. The homestay also provides games and a wide selection of movies for the guest to watch at please. Such wonderful experience and would definitely recommend this to others. Heart exclamation emoji. Exceptional apartment was a pleasant surprise, very clean and well furnished. Staff was very helpful arranging for tours and places to have food. Apartment was only 2 minutes walk to jetty for tours. Unexpected comfortable house very comfort and clean, can stay with big family. Good location good support. Unit is located in a rundown building but inside the unit it is a different world. Owner had tastefully decorated it and maintained it well. It is walking distance to the jetty for Sky Mirror, Blue Tiers etc. tour. Owner is very responsive to queries and gave good recommendations. However, Wi-Fi is very weak, dropping several times and the water strength is weak. Shower may be an issue. Exceptional. Went to Kuala Selangor for the seafood and booked this 3 bedrooms apartment unit through Agoda. Upon confirmation, the owner sent me text via WhatsApp. He provided all the details needed for us to get into the apartment. He was very nice and responded to all my questions fast. The apartment was located around 20 minutes from the famous Aroma restaurant. But there were many eateries nearby the apartment. It was also very near, walking distant to the Sky Mirror Jetty. So for those who came for the activities, this place is very recommended. The unit was very clean and provided with all the basic amenities such as towel, water heater, TV and 2 of the rooms plus the living hall are equipped with air-conned. Overall, I am very satisfied with my stay here and would recommend this place to others. Exceptional. Location is good, but too bad there is no microwave. I knew that can't cook at all, but if we can use microwave to warm our food then will be more better.